Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my students. Good morning. How are you today? Long time no see with me. I hope that we are in a good condition and always stay healthy. Alright, before we start our meeting, it is better for us to pray first. Pray, begin. Finish. Alright, welcome in English class. And today we would like to explain about interview related to the job vacation. Kita akan bahas bagaimana cara berwawancara ya, yang berhubungan atau yang berkaitan dengan melamar pekerjaan. Oke, there are the goals, ada beberapa tujuan pembelajaran yang harus kalian capai di materi ini, yaitu ada 5 tujuan pembelajaran. Untuk di pertemuan pertama ini tidak semuanya ya, hanya nomor poin 1 dan 2. Ya, kemudian apa saja sih tujuan pembelajaran yang harus saya capai? Yang pertama, menentukan fungsi sosial. Teks interaksi transaksionalisan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait jati diri dalam konteks pekerjaan atau wawancara dengan tepat. Yang kedua, menentukan struktur teks wawancara. Yang ketiga, menentukan unsur kebahasaan teks wawancara. Yang keempat, mengungkapkan ungkapan teks wawancara. Dan yang terakhir, merespon ungkapan teks wawancara. Oke, kita mulai. Bagaimana sih tadi fungsi sosial dan struktur dari teks wawancara atau job interview conversation? Nah, siapa yang akan menjelaskan lebih detail di sini adalah si Rachel ya. Saya mempunyai native speaker yang akan membantu kita untuk menjelaskan fungsi sosial dan struktur teks wawancara yang biasanya dilakukan. Oke, simak videonya dengan baik dan pahami videonya karena di akhir at the end the video I will give you a question. Let's watch together the video.
You're hired. 2 words everybody loves to hear. But before we hear these words comes the interview. Today's video is part 1 in a series that's all about preparing for a job interview. This is part 1 of a 5-part series on preparing for an interview. Interviewing for a new job can be a huge source of stress and anxiety. And if you're interviewing for a job in a non-native language, the stress can be even higher. In this video, you'll see me interview for a job. Throughout the interview, we'll discuss some of the most common interview questions and how to answer them. You'll also learn some basic information to get you started on creating your own answers to these questions. Let's begin.
Hello, Miss Smith. I'm Tom Kelly. Thanks so much for coming in.
It's my pleasure. Thanks so much for meeting with me.
Of course. Did you have any trouble finding the office?
Small talk. Most interviews will start out with a handshake and some small talk. This may include questions about how you're doing, your travel to the interview, the weather, how your weekend went, and more. All you need to do is be polite and friendly. Keep your answers short. You can also feel free to turn the question back to the interviewer. For instance, if the interviewer asks you how your weekend was, you might respond, "It was great. We celebrated my mom's birthday. How was your weekend?" Small talk is used to build a more comfortable environment before the interview begins. It may seem silly, but you can practice small talk on your own by asking yourself simple, easy to answer, non-personal questions. You could also practice with a friend. Here's an example of small talk. How are you doing? I'm great, thank you. And you? How are you doing? I'm doing really well. It's such a nice day out there. It is. It was perfect weather all weekend. It was. Did you do anything interesting over the weekend? Yes, I went to the park with my family for a picnic. That sounds nice. It was. And you? I worked this weekend, but I got a lot done, so that was good. It does feel good to get work done. You can see we haven't said much of importance, but the conversation is friendly and open and can make two people feel more comfortable in each other's presence.
Hello, Miss Smith. I'm Tom Kelly. Thanks so much for coming in.
It's my pleasure. Thanks so much for meeting with me.
Of course. Did you have any trouble finding the office?
Nope, the directions on the website were great.
Good. Would you like some water or coffee before we begin?
I'm okay, thank you.
All right. So, to get started, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Common question. Tell me a little bit about yourself. It's very common for interviewers to simply ask you to tell them about yourself. That can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. What they really want you to focus on is your education and work history. You can also let them know what areas you have a lot of experience in or what your interests are when answering this question. Here are a few different ways to begin your answer. I studied at Harvard University and graduated in 2012 with a degree in business. I've been working at Smith Incorporated for 10 years as a manager. I have 12 years of experience in graphic design. Because of my time at Verizon, I have a lot of experience in providing customer service. If you're preparing for an interview, practice talking about yourself and your work history. Record yourself with a video camera if possible. Make sure it's not too long, maybe around a minute. Go back and listen or watch and write down phrases that worked well to use again. If there was anything you stumbled over or left out, write down some possible phrases you could have used. The next day, do the same exercise. It's important that you don't just write a paragraph and memorize it, but simply practice free talking with some key phrases. The more you practice before the interview, the more comfortable you'll feel answering the questions during the interview.
So, to get started, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I studied at the University of Florida and graduated in 2010 with a master's degree in toy design. After graduation, I was hired at Happy Kids Creative. I've been there for the past 5 years and am currently the director of toy production. During that time, sales have grown steadily. It's been a great experience, but I've run out of room to grow with HKC and I'm looking for new opportunities. I have a lot of experience leading teams in the creative process and finding new markets for the products that we create.
That's great.
To be continued. We'll pick it up from here in the next video in this series. In the next video, we'll go over 3 more common interview questions. How did you hear about this position? What attracted you to our company? And what's your greatest strength? I hope this video on job interviews has been helpful. There's nothing better than walking out of an interview feeling that you were fully prepared.
Oke, itu videonya. Can you catch it? Bisa dipahami kira-kira apa isi videonya? Oke, good. Jadi tadi si Rachel jelasin bahwa fungsi dan struktur wawancara itu ada beberapa hal, ada beberapa poin yang harus kalian garis bawahi. Yang pertama adalah small talk. Apa itu small talk? Yaitu pembicaraan ringan ataupun basa-basi, seperti basa-basi ya, tetapi tidak bisa dipisahkan begitu saja atau diabaikan begitu saja, karena gunanya small talk ini adalah untuk membuat pembicaraan atau wawancaranya berjalan lebih lancar, lebih cair gitu, nggak terlalu tegang. Biasanya apa sih yang ditanyakan di dalam small talk? Ya, biasanya menanyakan kabar kamu, bagaimana kondisi kamu, tadi perjalanannya bagaimana ke perusahaan ini, apakah menyenangkan atau tidak, dan bila perlu mungkin si pewawancara bertanya, apa kamu mau minum dulu, ngopi dulu dan lain-lain. Tapi kan itu cuma basa-basi doang ya, hanya untuk mencairkan suasana itu tujuannya. Dan yang harus kamu lakukan ketika menjawab small talk ini tadi tetap be friendly and be polite. Artinya apa? Harus ramah dan sopan ya, tetap dijawab dengan ramah dan sopan. Fungsinya tadi untuk membuka pembicaraan ketika wawancara atau openingnya. Kemudian setelah small talk, nah kita masuk ke struktur selanjutnya yaitu tell me about your identity, your personal identity. Si pewawancara menginginkan kamu menjelaskan kamu itu siapa, ya bagaimana orangnya, tapi tidak perlu khawatir katanya ya karena yang dijelaskan atau dijawab biasanya di sini ada 2 poin. Yang pertama educational background sama work history. Jadi hanya dijelaskan mengenai pendidikan kamu ya, background pendidikan. Kamu misalkan tadi lulusan mana gitu ya, kemudian tahun berapa, IPK-nya berapa bila perlu, jurusannya apa. Dan yang kedua itu mengenai work history, pengalaman kerja kamu di perusahaan sebelumnya. Kamu pernah berada di posisi apa, terus bekerjanya bagaimana, dijelaskan bisa bekerja dalam tim, kamu orangnya sangat mandiri, bisa diandalkan. Nah, itu harus dijelaskan seperti itu. Nah, agar ketika menjelaskan hal tersebut lancar, kata si Rachel juga harus sering latihan ya, bila perlu kamu rekam apa yang akan kamu jelaskan, tidak usah panjang-panjang katanya, tapi tetap pada poinnya sehingga ketika diwawancara langsung sama si pewawancaranya, kamu bisa lebih lancar ketika menjelaskan jati diri kamu. Ya, karena untuk meyakinkan pewawancara agar kamu memang bisa diterima dan layak di perusahaan tersebut gitu. Oke, yang poin selanjutnya yang biasa ditanyakan yaitu mengenai informasi dari siapa kamu bisa dapat di perusahaan ini, kenapa kamu tertarik dengan perusahaan yang kamu lamar, dan kekuatan kamu atau strength kamu sehingga kamu berani gitu ya, sehingga kamu layak diterima di perusahaan tersebut. Ya, mungkin itu inti utamanya dan ada beberapa lagi yang nanti akan kita jelaskan di pertemuan selanjutnya ya, sesuai dengan tujuan pembelajaran tadi. Oke, kira-kira bisa dipahami ya. Saya harap tentu kamu memahami videonya dan agar lebih yakin lagi mengenai isi dari video tersebut, saya di sini sudah menyiapkan 5 pertanyaan ya. Answer the question based on the video, ada 5 pertanyaan yang berkaitan dengan video tadi. Yang pertama, what is the video about? Video tadi bercerita tentang apa? Yang kedua, what is the purpose of the interview? Tujuan dari interview tersebut apa sebetulnya? Dan yang ketiga, how many person are involved in the interview? Ada berapa orang yang terlibat dalam interview tadi? Kemudian number 4, who are they? Siapa saja mereka? Ya, tadi mereka sudah menyebutkan nama masing-masing. And the last, what type of qualification the company required? Kira-kira kualifikasi yang dibutuhkan untuk perusahaan tersebut apa? Ya, silahkan jawab pertanyaannya di buku bahasa Inggris, kemudian nanti dipotongkan ya. Dan paling lambat ini pengumpulan tugasnya 1 hari sebelum jadwal minggu selanjutnya gitu ya. Berarti kalian punya waktu 1 minggu untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini. Kalau ada yang kurang paham bisa diulang-ulang, dibuka videonya ya. Dan kalaupun ada yang belum paham mengenai penjelasan hari ini, bisa kalian tanyakan dan kita diskusikan in the next meeting, di pertemuan selanjutnya. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to finish your task. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.